pretty much out with the old plastic one and in with the new carbon fiber one. We definitely need to see this in some sunlight to show the final result, but it looks sick. You all probably know that I recently transformed the look of my 6th gen Camaro's rear end by installing a nice duckbill. You know, we did that not too long ago, and guess what? I came back super late from a track day one day. I was having problems with the car, I didn't sleep all night, and essentially I kind of backed into my fridge in this garage and ended up destroying the Wickerbill. So I reached out to EOS, they are absolutely awesome. And I said, you know what, instead of replacing the Wickerbill, we will send you an entire new carbon fiber duckbill spoiler with a new Wickerbill. So today we're going to be installing that and checking it out. If you all are wondering where I backed into the fridge, it was right here. So I hit this thing, I heard a massive crack from the plastic, and I was like, ah, that was the wing. But I'm glad that I actually didn't like damage the car, because rear bumper's fine, everything else is fine. Didn't break anything but the duckbill on here, or the gurney flap, whatever you want to call it. So in just 1 second, we'll see how awesome this new one looks. I'm unwrapping it here, and you all know me in carbon fiber. Absolutely love it. Little unveiling sneak peek. The carbon fiber weave looks insane on this new duckbill. Oh, I'm excited. Just found out that the actual Wickerbill is carbon fiber too. So yeah, this is a massive upgrade. That is sick. One more look at this before I throw it on the car in the absolute light. So yeah, that's the weave. It looks pretty sick. It's gonna be a nice contrast against the black wrap on the trunk, because it's all the same. The hood, the roof, and the trunk. Bro was like, don't sell it. Don't do it. I'm gonna cry if you sell it. So that's the last of the screws that hold down the spoiler. I think I had 2 or 3 screws in there in total, because I kept dropping them in the trunk with John. And now the only thing holding this thing on is 3M tape. So it should, oh, there's your answer. Crap, I hope I didn't scratch the wrap. So now the old one is off, and as you can tell, the 3M did a pretty decent job of holding it all together. We've got some fresh tape on the new spoiler. It's gonna give it that extra stick, even though we do have screws. I'm just gonna go ahead and fasten down my new screws. It is a pain to get these in, but now it's all in, and we could just peel back that red tape. Had all that adhesive, I didn't pull it yet, but now I'm gonna pull it because I left off a couple of inches. That's a tip Carson taught me. Oh, thank you so much. And it makes it super easy. And that's pretty much the lowest drag setting possible on the actual wicker. It just moved, I need to move that, but you guys get the idea. Go ahead and put that Wickerbill on the lowest drag setting possible, because, you know, if I have it up high, that is gonna push the rear end more and basically slow down the car just the slightest bit. It's negligible, but I've heard that it can impact your quarter-mile trap speed by 1 to 2 miles an hour. And if we're trapping 150, boys, I want to put a parachute on the back of this car. So I'm going to do everything in my power that I physically can to do that. Pretty much out with the old plastic one and in with the new carbon fiber one. We definitely need to see this in some sunlight to show the final result, but it looks sick.
The next day.
Oh, that's what it looks like in the sunlight. Pretty freaking sick. On that note, if y'all enjoyed the video of me installing the carbon fiber wing, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all within the next one.